What's going on, guys? It's Kash Vegas. Today we're checking out the food court on the south side of the Las Vegas Strip, right across from Park MGM and also near MGM. So over here there's a place called DirtDog, and I always wanted to try a really good hot dog spot. So today I got the FLAMETHROWER dog. It's 100% premium all beef Nathan's 5-1 dog, wrapped in center cut bacon, steak, cheddar, grilled veggies, Henny-Q barbecue, cilantro, Chipotle aioli, seasoned charred habanero. It was delicious. It also came with a side of dirty fries, and it was a really large portion for the price. It was a very satisfying hot dog. I definitely say you got to come out and check it out. So guys, this one was the FLAMETHROWER dog. It was a little bit more on the spicier side, but they do have a larger selection of mild dogs as well too. But it is just delicious. Definitely come out and check out DirtDog Las Vegas. It is really, really good. Shout out to Snoop Dogg. All right, so DirtDog was really, really good. It was a nice sized portion, had a lot of flavor. I'll definitely be back over here at DirtDog. Delicious.